How to use dYdX and start perpetual trading. What if you could trade Bitcoin or Ethereum with zero counterparty risk directly from your wallet? That's dYdX. What is dYdX? dYdX is a decentralized perpetual futures exchange. You can long, short, use leverage, trade anonymously, stay fully self-custodial. How Perpetual works. A perpetual contract is like futures, but with no expiry. Your profit based on price movement. If price goes up, longs profit. If price goes down, shorts profit. Funding rate keeps markets balanced. Let's understand funding rates. Funding rates are payments between long and short traders. If rate is positive, longs pay shorts. If rate is negative, shorts pay longs. This prevents price manipulation. Let's discuss an important topic: risk management. Never use high leverage unless fully experienced. Golden rules. Use leverage 3 to 5 maximum. Always set stop loss. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Avoid trading during high volatility events. Let's see how to open a trade. Go to dYdX and connect wallets. Deposit USDC and choose trading pair. Choose long or short position. Use leverage. Set stop loss and take profit. Let's take example trade. Let's long Ethereum at $3,000. We choose $100 margin, 5x leverage, $500 position size. Stop loss at 2% risk. Target profit at 5 to 10%. If Ethereum pumps up, you profit 5x faster. If Ethereum dumps, you lose 5x faster. Why dYdX is #1 DeFi trading platform? Because it offers order book trading like Binance, 100% self-custody, super fast execution, zero withdrawal limits, no KYC, no downtime. This is the future of decentralized trading. This was episode 8 of the DeFi Mastery course. In episode 9, we explore what are perpetuals in crypto, deep dive and examples. Hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss it.